If your Fire TV suddenly looks different, this is why. Amazon is rolling out a major new Fire TV update right now. And one of the biggest changes is also the one a lot of people are going to hate most. So before this hits more devices, here's what's changed, what still works, and what you need to know. And if you want me to keep tracking these Fire TV changes properly as they roll out, hit like now, because this is a major update. Let's get into it. Now, just to be clear, I don't have this update yet here in the UK, but a lot of you, especially in the US and Canada, are already seeing it, and it's starting to spread into other regions too. So if you've already got this in the UK or elsewhere, let me know your device and location in the comments, because Rollout definitely seems to be spreading. And later in the video, I'll show you the change that matters most if you switch between apps a lot. The first thing people are noticing is the home screen. The main navigation is now back at the top, with tabs like movies, TV shows, live sports and news. At first glance, it actually looks cleaner. But the real issue starts when you try to get to your apps. Because now, depending on how your Fire TV wakes up, you may have to go through a large banner on the home screen before you even reach them. And that's where this update starts to frustrate people. For a lot of users, getting to apps now takes more effort. You land on the home screen, go down through the banner, past another row, and only then do you reach your apps. That alone is already less convenient. But here's the bigger issue. The full screen app grid is completely gone. No quick jump to all your apps, no proper apps screen anymore. Now you're forced back through the home screen more often. And a lot of users are already searching Fire TV update app grid missing because of this. Your apps are still there, but the cleaner, faster way to access them has effectively disappeared. So if you switch between apps a lot, you are going to feel this change immediately. But let's be fair, it's not all bad news. The new app row shows more apps at once, which is useful. The interface looks cleaner and visually it does feel more modern. There's also a new side home menu, an upgraded shortcut panel, quicker smart home access, and finally a proper sleep timer for Fire TV sticks. So there are improvements here, but the problem is they come at the cost of convenience. And that's why this update is going to divide people. Now, a couple of things people are already searching. How do you move apps now? You still can, but instead of the old method, you now need to hold the center select button on an app to open its options. So app organization is still there, it's just moved. Can you still sideload apps? Yes, sideloading still works. Developer options are still there. Apps like Downloader still work, and sideloaded apps still show up in the app row, usually with those grey bars on the icon. So that part hasn't been removed. Amazon says the new interface is faster, but early comparisons don't show a huge difference. And in some cases, this new interface actually uses more memory just sitting on the home screen. So I wouldn't expect this update to suddenly make your Fire TV feel faster, especially on older devices. The bigger story here is this. Amazon is pushing Fire TV more towards being a content hub and feels less like a simple app launcher. And that's exactly why the missing app grid matters so much. Because this isn't just a visual change, it changes how you use the device. Now, I really want to hear from you if you already have this update. Where are you based and what device are you using? And what's your biggest complaint so far? The missing app grid, the bigger banner, the new layout, or do you actually like it? Drop a thumbs up or just comment "bring back the grid" if that's the one that annoys you most. These comments are genuinely going to help other viewers, so let's build a proper thread here. And if you know someone who just turned on their Fire TV and got confused, share this with them. It'll save them a lot of frustration. My honest take, there are some good ideas here. The wider app row is useful, the sleep timer is a nice addition, and some shortcuts make sense. But removing that app grid feels like a huge step backward. That's the change people are going to complain about most. So if you already have it, let me know below. If you don't, now you know what's coming. Subscribe and turn on notifications because the moment this hits my device, I'll do a full hands-on follow-up with the best settings to change, workarounds, and how to actually deal with it. And if your Fire TV has already been feeling more slower or frustrating lately, watch this next because it ties directly into where Amazon is heading. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.